A great deal for a great hair dryer. This is a sleek, compact, perfect for a good travel hair dryer. This is amazing. I love it. It has cool and hot setting, and it works amazing. High and low setting as well. I'm obsessed with it. I'm obsessed with the color, super sleek looking, which I love. I love when a product looks this nice and it looks this high end. It comes with a bunch of attachments, but I don't personally need the attachments, but for someone who does, it's great. Again, under $30. If you are in a market for a hair dryer, this is an amazing one. You can get it right down below. Also, a great gift too.